Skidmark 4x4. Ever pondered over the safety of your tow hitch? Worry no more. Straight from the heart of America, a revolutionary solution has arrived, just for a mere $200. This hitch skid plate isn't just a one-trick pony. It's a handy multi-tool in disguise, complete with a built-in bottle opener. Flip it over and voila, you've got yourself a wheel chock. The hitch skid plate, a 6.4mm or 0.25-inch thick steel marvel, is packed with two exciting features that make it worth every penny. First, this bad boy isn't just a boring piece of metal. Oh no, it's a versatile companion that loves accessories, like fishing rod holders. The brilliance of this design has not gone unnoticed. In fact, it's so impressive that the company has already filed for a patent. And guess who's lining up for this hitch protection? None other than our brave police and military personnel. Truck tail. Here's something that's going to make your day. I want to introduce you to a little marvel crafted by a seasoned American engineer with 3 decades of experience. This guy is a wizard of DIY flying machines and a master of aerodynamics. And guess what? His passion has birthed an extraordinary pickup truck accessory called the truck tail. It's a container designed to slice your fuel consumption. Can you believe that with this beauty attached, your pickup truck can squeeze out an extra 3 kilometers or 1.8 miles for every 4 liters of fuel? That's right. You could be saving hundreds of dollars annually on fuel alone. And here's the kicker. The price tag on the truck tail is just $60. So who's ready to make their pickup truck smarter and their wallet heavier? Rough country bed extender. You know, even those folks with the deepest pockets face some head-scratching moments. Picture this. Their prized hog just won't fit into their beloved pickup truck. A real bummer, right? But fret not. We've got a solution as brilliant as it is simple, and it's only going to set you back $180. It's an ingenious insert that lets you keep the tailgate wide open, adding a whopping 66 centimeters or 26 meters of truck bed space. Now you can haul not only your beloved gadgets, but other tools and materials as your heart desires. Installation is a breeze, and the best part is that this baby snugly fits most pickup trucks. It comes with some nifty straps to keep your stuff secure, and when your hauling day is over, it can be removed with ease thanks to the quick release pins. Solis Cor. You know how Shaggy and Scooby are a unique dynamic duo? Well, meet the unstoppable duo in the pickup truck universe, Solis and Cor. These two are shaking things up and giving trucks a solar-powered facelift. Picture this. Solis, a sleek foldable cover tricked out with solar panels, soaking up those sun rays like nobody's business. And then we got Cor, an energy powerhouse that stores all that solar juice. The Solis and Cor Standard Edition can go from 0 to fully charged in just 2.5 hours. That's less time than it takes to watch your favorite Scooby movie. But what can you do with all that stored power? Oh, I don't know. How about a car fridge full of snacks for 11 glorious hours? Or being able to recharge your laptop 30 times by using less electricity and harnessing the power of the sun? Solis and Cor are helping to protect our environment. Rain Basin. Ready for another mind-blowing gadget? This time we're diving into the world of glamping, and we're splashing out $240 on a water container. That's right, but this isn't your standard water container. This 7.5-liter container is more like a Swiss Army knife. It doesn't just hold water, it's packed with a battery, nozzles, and a whole bunch of other goodies. Take this baby camping, and you're not just carrying water, you've got yourself a portable shower capable of collecting rainwater. And the quality? It's top-notch, made with LDPE, the same stuff they use for food containers and cosmetic tubes. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The battery lasts for about 30 minutes. But with 7 different nozzles to choose from, you'll be making every second count. Solar-powered electric retractable car umbrella. Alright folks, picture this, a scorching day, blistering heat, you're stepping inside your car, and bam, it's a sweltering 47 degrees Celsius in there. Can you imagine? Just an hour under the sun can turn your car into a rolling sauna. But don't sweat it, we've got this incredibly inventive solution, a car umbrella. Yes, you heard it right, a car umbrella. Here's the cool part, it harnesses the power of the sun itself. Charged by solar energy, it can be activated 40 times with a full battery. Easy to install and operate. It comes with a handy remote control. Imagine setting up a shade on your fishing trips or camping escapades. For a mere $500, you're not only saving your precious ride from the brutal heat, but also its paint from painful fading. Quite a game changer, isn't it? ContainGo. Ever wonder why those 6-meter or 19.6-foot containers seem to be everywhere? Well, they pack a punch, making up a whopping 25% of the global container fleet. They're like the unsung heroes of the transportation industry. There's even a cool, innovative system designed just for pickup trucks to handle these beefy containers. Loading and unloading these hefty fellas, weighing up to 8.2 tons, miraculously takes just 10 minutes. And the cherry on top, just one person can do this job with the precision of a Swiss watch, nailing it down to 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch of accuracy. These systems are a lifesaver in tight spots and even in emergency situations, like disaster relief efforts. As for the price, well, that's a suspense as the prices are only available upon request. Low loader. Let's dive into the world of big-time haulers, where size does matter, but so does grit and intelligence. From the heart of Detroit, let's meet the movers and shakers of the industry, Detroit Wrecker Sales. Their showstopper? The low loader system. This baby has an incredible shallow loading angle, the lowest you'll find in the market. That's right, even that sleek sports car, with barely their ground clearance, can glide onto this platform like it's Sunday morning. And the best part, you can tweak the loading angle to your heart's content. The standard kit is no slacker either. It boasts a winch with a Hulk-like capacity of 3.6 tons and a winch cable that stretches a whopping 23 meters or 75 feet and takes on a mammoth 9.5 tons without breaking a sweat. All pins and bushings also come with a lifetime warranty. B-Kit add-on vehicle armor. In the wild world of law enforcement, danger can lurk behind any corner. Just last year, our brave boys in blue witnessed a jarring 19% spike in gunshot wounds while on duty. This chilling statistic makes a compelling case for equipping our officers with the best protection that money can buy. Enter the B-Kit add-on. This cutting-edge tech armors our soldiers on the front lines, which is why the New York City Police Department has taken this tech on board. They know a good thing when they see it, and they've chosen this model to keep their officers safe on the mean streets. This wonder of modern engineering can shrug off shotgun blasts like they're mere mosquito bites, whilst only adding a mere 4.5 kilograms or 10 pounds to the door's weight. The windows are also steeled against danger with a specially designed transparent insert. The future of law enforcement safety is here, and it's clear as day. Autostarke sidestep. If you enjoyed your biology classes, you would have learned that many species appear grander to scare off foes. Now imagine humans mirroring this behavior by splurging on mammoth vehicles, like the Ford Super Duty, stretching to a staggering 6.8 meters or 23 feet. But here's the twist, it's a steep climb to board this beast. However, if you've got the dough to own such a machine, adding some side steps would be a drop in the ocean. These steps make your ascent simpler. No more straining to hoist your foot 370 millimeters or 1.2 feet. A mere 260 millimeters or 0.85 feet will suffice. The operation is a breeze. Swing the door open and the steps glide out. Shut the door, they slide back. And worry not, these sturdy knights can bear a load of up to 400 kilograms or 882 pounds. Bike eRACK. Alright, let me paint you a picture. You've got your bike and you're ready to ride, but getting that 10 to 14 kilogram or 22 to 30 pound beast into the trunk or on the roof of your car can be, well, a pain in the back, right? Especially if you're loading up multiple bikes for the family. But fear no more. Allow me to introduce you to the world's first auto-loading bike rack. It weighs in at a sturdy 52 kilograms or 114 pounds and can carry a whopping 145 kilograms or 326 pounds. It can accommodate not one, not two, not three, but 5 bikes at a time. All you have to do is lock those bike wheels and grab the handy remote control. It's quick, it's easy, and most importantly, it's safe. Now for those of you who like to roll a little differently, they've also got you covered with a special trike version. Prices kick off at $1,800 for a single bike model. Pierce Dump Kit. Many people have quite a love affair with pickup trucks. In fact, in the United States, pickup sales make up 20% of annual vehicle sales, and the Ford F-Series has been at the top of those sales for decades. Now think about this. What if all those pickup truck owners fancied a little upgrade, a little transformation magic? What about turning a pickup into, wait for it, a dump truck? For just about $1,700, you can get your hands on an upgrade kit that can turn your humble pickup into a supercharged load bearer. In just 10 seconds flat, you can raise and lower the dump body by 45 degrees, and it can handle payloads of up to 2 tons. Once the magic is done, your pickup resumes its original sleek look. Talk about having the best of both worlds. The downfall is that the upgrade doesn't fit all pickup trucks. Air Topper. In the land of truck toppers reigns a company known as Flatted. They were pretty good at their game, crafting plastic toppers just like the rest of the herd. But then, eureka, a light bulb moment. They thought, what if these toppers could be, foldable? And that's when the Air Topper was born. It's an ultra-compact topper that, when folded, can snugly fit into your backpack. But that's not the best part. Unfold it and voila! Your regular pickup truck transforms into a comfy, cozy, mobile home. Sounds unreal, right? But it's true. This genius topper becomes as sturdy as a rock in just a few minutes, thanks to a regular pump. Not to forget its windows, doors, pockets, and hooks that make it the perfect companion for camping enthusiasts. If you're thinking this phenomenal air topper will cost you a fortune, brace yourselves, as you can get it for $1,100. Bedslide. Did you just see that? A load sliding out like a magic trick. Setting this up is a piece of cake, and it can be done in less than 60 minutes, and you're good to go. The top-of-the-line model can carry a beastly ton of cargo. We're talking heavy-duty stuff here. These platforms are like the chameleons of the automotive world. They can adapt to a wide range of vehicles, going way back to 1970 all the way up to our sleek, modern rides of today. And if you're wondering if it will fit onto your vehicle, there is a full list of compatibles on their website. And here comes the star of the show, the Bedslide S platform, designed to carry a massive 450 kilogram or 992 pound load with a price of $1,200. Flip step. You think truck bed steps are just plain and simple, right? Well, hold on to your gears, because some companies are bending over backward to redefine simple, and the crown jewel among them is the flip step, brought to you by the hardworking elves at the Aero Bus Company. It folds up like a ninja, never disturbing your smooth ride. It can bear the weight of 136 kilograms or 300 pounds. Even better, it costs $500. The only hitch is that it's not compatible with all pickups. Check out this video, the coolest car gadgets that you need to see.